The Volvo XC40 is one of our favorite SUVs.
Indeed, it scooped our Best Small Premium SUV gong at the 2018 Auto Express New Car Awards earlier this month. But will the T3 petrol, the latest engine to join the range, still be a class leader? The T3 is the entry point to the XC40 range, being the smallest and most affordable engine on offer. Prices start from £27,610 in Momentum trim, which makes it £1,400 cheaper than the entry-level diesel.
Standard kit includes 18-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, and a set of 12.3-inch digital dials. This Momentum Pro model adds bending headlights, folding door mirrors, a heated windscreen and an electric driver's seat.
Onto the engine itself. It's 1.5-liter, 3-cylinder, direct injection turbocharged petrol unit making 154 bhp.
And is offered only with front-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual gearbox.
It'll be paired with a plug-in hybrid eventually, but for now it works alone.
Although it's the first time Volvo has produced a 3-cylinder engine, it's not completely unfamiliar.
It's closely related to the brand's 2.0-liter 4-pot unit. A modular configuration means that, in effect,
it's 3/4 of the existing engine.
While engineering the T3 won't have been anywhere near as straightforward as simply lopping off a cylinder.
When you fire it up for the first time, it sounds like that's all that has happened.
The rough, rattly noise at idle sounds unpleasant, to the point where you might mistake it for a diesel. Fortunately, refinement improves considerably on the move.
There's maybe a little more whooshing and hissing from the turbo than you might expect.
But the engine itself sounds smooth all the way to the red line, and there's very little vibration through the pedals or steering wheel.
But from here, the engine begins to fall apart.
Performance is fine if you're willing to rev it out, but off boost there's almost no power at all.
If you accelerate on a motorway from around 65 miles per hour in 5th or 6th, nothing really happens. Blame such long gearing. 2,000 revolutions per minute at 70 miles per hour is good for refinement.
But you'll need to shift down at least 2 gears to make any sort of progress at all. The problem is that, long gearing or not, fuel economy is poor.
In a mix of urban, motorway and day-road driving,
we calculated an average of just 29.3 miles per gallon. Sit at a constant 70 miles per hour, and you'll be lucky to top 37 miles per gallon. But is the gearbox any better? Well, it's reasonably precise, but a slightly notchy, springy action means that plenty of alternatives are more pleasant. He's